I don't think AI alone can solve the problem. To do AI well, you actually need digital processes which can throw out more data. And you also must have a good data infrastructure to train the AI. So you need to get all these things together before you can even extract value.
It's just that journey of we're in this kind of scale-up phase at the moment, and many customers and organizations I'm working with are creating these refineries or factories and ways to be able to really unlock value at scale. There are already just some impacts. If I look at our own organization within Amazon and look at just some of the developer productivity gains that we've seen, we looked at just some of the work around our legacy Java code bases, and just through all of the upgrade processes saved 4,500 developer years in terms of running those through generative AI tools using Amazon Key for Developer. That's an equivalent to $260 million of annual savings.
I'm a firm believer in the power of AI, and I think it's a huge value creator, and it's going to transform many of the industries that we are familiar with, and maybe even create some new industries. And let's say how the tuition industry will go. I think it will be very different, right? The way my wife teach my kids 2 years ago versus now is very different. How they use ChatGPT and other tools to teach the kids. For me, I'm now very used to just dump my whatever blood test result into ChatGPT and get the assessment as my first line of consultation on any medical questions. Maybe there's some bubble in some valuation of the companies, or maybe there's some promises people say, oh, it's not going to happen. But maybe I think this time going to be faster. I think about 10 years later, you look back, all the promises, all the things that happen in the sci-fi fictions and Delong was talking about, those will be realized in one way or another, but maybe in different forms. In gaming, I think the easiest thing is for content creation, right? Script writing, and we used to outsource a lot of work for arts, drawing, and the producing those skins. It used to take maybe say 1 week to have some models coming out for the skin in game. Now maybe you take, let's say, 1 day or even half a day. So there's a huge productivity boost in those.